Hello my friend, I'm Abra. From today, let's learn the Raynen Knit Design programming. First, we download the software and double-click to install the software. Here is the Chinese and we select the English. Click yes, this one. Accept the agreement. The install path, no need to change. D. Raynen Knit CD bit. Create desktop shortcut. Yes. Quick launch shortcut. Yes. Next. And for here we need wait some time. Okay, install finish. Cancel the launch. Finish. And for this one, before we open this software, we need to do something. For the English version, the translation is not good. So we change the language package. This one we made and replace the file. Okay. Double click. For this one is the sweater, is normal sweater. For the front piece, back piece and the sleeve, then put together this one, the traditional one. And for this one is for the whole garment. We click this one. And we can see for the tool, the icon is same as the HQ software. If you like this style, you can use. If you use to the Raynen old version, the system option, we can click and advance. And here, the icon set, the default style or the universal style. We click this one. Please restart the software. Okay. And for here, enable the ICRG code. This one for the Jacquard use and the intarsia use. Okay. Click yes. We close. Double click this one. And also here I have another way to open this one. We can directly open. Right click, open the file location. Put here. For this one is this one. And for this one, we send to the desktop shortcut. For this one is this one. So we can close this one and directly open from here. From here, we no need to select the sweater or the whole garment. Need wait some time. Okay, directly open. And we can click the new. For here, the machine type, no need to set. Here, click yes. Now we finish the install. Okay, thank you for your listening. See you next time.